Welcome back to the channel, Rush fam. So we're in East Kirkland Heights. I know I hardly come these sides, I hardly do hill drive. You know, most times we're on the flats. You know, most times we're in the popular areas. You know, Half a Tree, Crossroads, Boulevard. But it's good to be able to, you know, come to some new places with you guys. So we just came off Red Hills Road. We're in East Kirkland Heights. Palm Luxury Villas on the left. I know you guys can't see much, but just still trying to show as much as I can. So just showing you guys around this neighborhood, around this community. Not sure how many of you guys have ever been up this side. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have ever lived up this side, if you grew up this side, or if you're probably even still living up this side as well. Let me know. Alright, so let's go along Kirkland Close first. This is around this side. And guys, if you're new to the channel, if you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to leave a comment. And remember to share the video as well. So it's the first time I'm coming in this community, to be honest. So it's new for both of us, which is you the viewers and myself. Hopefully I don't run into a dead end, which I think I am. So I'm gonna reverse. So I'm sure this house is gonna have an awesome view based on where it's located. It's right on the edge. I'm sure some great views are gonna be over there. Alright, so let's reverse. Again, we're in East Kirkland Heights. Just taking a look at this community. Alright, let's reverse right in here. Alright, so let's take another road, see where it leads, because we're all exploring this community together. Alright, so let's take this side. Alright, so again, East Kirkland Heights. Let's enjoy the drive together. So right here leads to a close, so we'll just turn and then go back down. I'm sure of these areas don't even need any AC because they're so high up. I'm sure they're very cold, especially at night. And again, the views up this side is really to die for. Some great views. So great views and great houses as well, you know. As I said, most of these houses are multi-story. Alright, so from this end, let's head to another side. For the most part though, this community seems as if it probably has a citizens association. You know, I see garbage bin everywhere. You know, they have sidewalks. Few patrol here and there, but for the most part, you know, it's quite well kept. Alright, so we're going on another road. Let's see where it will lead. Again, guys, the views are so awesome. The views are so nice. When I'm coming back down, I stop at that area that I just saw. Very nice views. Alright, so we're at another dead end. So we'll just turn back right here. Alright, so we're heading back down the hill. And as promised, I'm gonna stop at the area and show you guys the views from up this side and see if we can identify some of the parts of Kingston. So this is the area. I think this is a very nice lookout point. Alright guys, so this is the lookout area. So some great views. Alright guys, let's see if we can identify any of these areas. So I know Kingston Spring Road is up right here. We know this building, this iconic building right here. So let me go back up on it. So it's in the middle of the screen. So this is up Kingston Spring Road. Alright, so we've identified there. I think we can see Price Mart as well. Let me zoom into Price Mart. You know, always packed. So that's Price Mart. That's to the back to the delivery area. And that's Red Hills Road in front of it right there. We'll come down on Red Hills Road. That's the Rubis gas station. Alright, we can also see the shoreline as well. Let's zoom into over by the wharf. So we have Petrodram, we have some ships docked, probably delivering oil. Alright guys, so East Kirkland Heights, that's where we're at today. And again, just wanted to show you guys some of the view from up this side. You know, it's always a nice feeling to really just drive out, you know, go somewhere you've never been before, you know, and just explore the beauty of Jamaica. So that's what we're doing today. We're up in the hills and we're taking a hill drive. And some really nice houses down here as well. They seem to be an apartment complex or probably even a guest house or something of the sort. We see pool, balcony. The persons are in the pool. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share as well. See you in another video.